Hey everybody, let's take a look at this question. It says carbon tetrachloride. Let's actually write the formula for that right off the bat. Carbon is C, chlorine is Cl, and tetra means there's 4 of them. So CCl4 is a common propellant found in hairspray. If a can of hairspray has about 4,500 milligrams of carbon tetrachloride, how many molecules of this compound are present? So essentially what we are being asked to do here is convert from milligrams, that's the number I've been given, into molecules. Technically molecules of CCl4, but that is our task. To do this, we're going to need, of course, some conversion factors. One of those I know is going to be the fact that 1 mole of something is always the same amount of that thing. And that number, of course, is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. In this case, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd CCl4 molecules. That is going to be part of this conversion. Another part is going to be the molar mass of CCl4 itself, where I know that 1 mole of CCl4 is going to weigh a certain thing in grams. That number, you have to go to the periodic table and essentially look up carbon and chlorine and do a little bit of math on the side. Carbon's molar mass is 12. Chlorine's is around 35.5, and I am rounding there. 35.5 times 4, because there's 4 chlorines, and if you add all of that together, you get 153.82. That is 153.82 grams would be exactly 1 mole of CCl4. And typically those 2 conversions would be enough. We have one extra challenge here in this question, and that is that my initial value is in milligrams. Since my molar mass is dealing with grams, I'm also going to need a conversion between milligrams and grams to finish this. You can look that up on, online or on many different conversion factor tables that your teacher has probably given you. And there it'll tell you that every 1 gram has 1,000 milligrams. And I'll use 10 to the 3rd. All that's left now is to set it up and do the dimensional analysis to solve this. I'll start by writing the number I was given, 4,500 milligrams, multiplying it by a conversion factor with milligrams in the denominator so that milligrams cancels top to bottom. And the first conversion I'm going to use is this one on the bottom that will convert milligrams into grams. The numbers look like this. 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams. Now I've converted milligrams into grams so that I can now cancel off grams, top to bottom, and convert that number into moles. That's where my molar mass is going to get plugged in. 1 goes with mole, 153.82. Goes with grams, and my final step is to then cancel off moles, top to bottom, and convert that into the amount of CCl4 molecules by plugging in the fact that 1 mole is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd anythings, in this case CCl4 molecules. I know that I'm finished because the unit that does not cancel is the unit the question is asking about, molecules of CCl4. If you do all the math correctly here, you should get something around 1.8 times 10 to the 22nd CCl4 molecules.